How to add HTML code to Canva. So you can possibly do this to your website by embedding content from other sites, but you won't be able to add custom HTML codes directly into your Canva website source since it's just not a feature. So if you take a look at the share button and then do the embed, you'll only get an HTML embed code and there's no option you can put it in. Now what you're gonna have to do is go back to your main screen and then go press on the more section here in the left bar and then press on apps. Over here you're gonna have to search for the specific embed app you want and the available options. Not all of it will be available, so you're gonna have to take a look if it is for you. Now type in embed and then just go ahead and click on embed. Now you'll have a few options over here, like which is embed, YouTube embed, and whatever suits your project or whatever you're planning to do, just go ahead and choose that and then you can add it to your design. So let's say you want to add YouTube videos to your designs, press on YouTube embed, and then you can use it in a new design, or you can press use in existing design, and then you'll be able to follow up with the next process. But that is technically one way you could do this, so hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.